I just want to do a brief introduction. My name's Austin. I'm the Big Orange Angler. As the name entails, I am a huge Vols fan. Could always talk some football. I love it. I wanted to incorporate a little something into my channel. I definitely am a Christian, and I want to spread as much of the Lord's word as possible. So today's verse of the day is Psalm 138:2. I will bow down towards your holy temple and will praise your name for your love and your faithfulness. For you have exalted above all things your name and your word. And that's Psalm 138:2. I also wanted to let y'all know that I can go into some gear that I use if anybody's interested in that. And then I also wanted to ask if y'all would prefer a little bit more talking, maybe a little more personal stuff into my life, or just more action, or just a combination of both. I have no problems with that. It's just whatever y'all are interested in. I also wanted to ask if you would just to like and subscribe, share the video. It definitely helps out. And just thank you for watching the video. Hope everyone has a blessed day. When do you? Oh my gosh! I yanked it out of his mouth. That's good beer drinking fishing.
A lot of people out there at Norman do noodle for them.
What?
Noodle for them and,
Hell no.
and jug fish them.
Little bitty boy. Little John. Smallest fish of the day. Oh no, wait. That one I caught, that was the size of my karashi. Come here, dude. I got you double stuck. You smacked it, didn't you? Angry little fucks. Oh. You all work up there and then you want to throw one on or call it?
Well, hell, we can go back up there and fish the other side.
Alright.
But I'm out of...
Dude, that's a nice fish. I think we might have a new, as long as it stays on, stay on, baby. Where'd he go? He's coming right towards me.
They can swim over here, I'll net him.
Jeez. Oh, dude, that might be a largemouth. No, that's a smallie. Holy shit. Oh. He sees you. Oh. Dude, he does not want to give up. Here, I definitely want to. Oh. Dude, that's a nice fish right there. Jeez. Oh, I'm hung up. Oh, my bad, Coon.
No, you're good.
I'm hung up on the net. That's going to be a pain in the biatch. Alright, let's get this thing unhooked. Damn, dude, I hate whenever I get hung up in the net.
Yeah, treble hook for the worst.
Jeez, on the top water. I hope I got that on video. I definitely got the fight. Can you grab my pliers?
Where are they at?
They're in one of the pockets. If they're not on that side, they're on the other side.
Oh, I got you.
More little bitty things. Thank you. Whew. That's a pretty fish right there. Ow, lick on my finger. Now the real battle begins. Oh, we're in there too. Ow! Damn, them bitches is short.